it on the rack for a precision alignment. And then when they pick it up, they hit the gas, their eyes light up, they call you back and ask, what magic did you do to my car? Have you ever had a customer bring in a car that's running like absolute garbage? It's sluggish. It's hesitating. When they hit the gas, the steering wheel is shaking, and they have no clue as far as what's going wrong. They just know that it drives like crap. So you take it back into the bay, you do a walnut blast to the intake valves, and you clear out that hidden carbon buildup. You throw it on the rack for a precision alignment. And then when they pick it up, they hit the gas, their eyes light up, they call you back and ask, what magic did you do to my car? To them, it's magic, right? To you, it's just restoring the proper airflow, perfecting the contact points, and you did the dirty work that they can't see. It transformed how their car drives. Digital marketing is the exact same way, specifically something that we refer to as off-site SEO. Like, you can see they have a beautiful website and maybe that's their engine, but if nobody can find it, it's like having a freshly rebuilt big block sitting on a stand in the corner of your shop. It looks great, but it ain't turning the wheels. When we do off-site SEO, we're doing the invisible prep work. We clean up your digital carbon buildup, making sure that your shop's name, address, phone number are identical all over the internet so that Google and the AI search platforms can actually trust you. We do a digital wheel alignment, if you will, by getting highly trusted automotive sites and local directories to link back to you. Think of it like a digital word of mouth. If some random guy on the street tells you to buy a part, you ignore him. But if Napa can vouch for it, then, maybe you buy it, right? We get the internet's heavy hitters to vouch for your shop. You don't need to know how to program the digital ECU. You just need the horsepower. If you want to stop guessing why your bays aren't full and start seeing the magic of to make that phone ring, then let's talk. We'll get your online presence aligned. I'm Brad Hurlock, host of the Garage Grid podcast, co-owner of AA Shop Marketing. Head out to addy.me/jumpstart to get that conversation started.